Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sonali and this is the very first video on my channel. In this video, I will be talking about a very beautiful flower, lily, and to be very specific, rain lily, its floral diagram and floral formula. Now from its name, you might have already got an idea about the habit of this plant. It is an herbaceous plant which grows in tropical conditions and bloom in rains. Now coming back to its description in scientific terms, we will start with its classification. Commonly it is known as rain lily. It belongs to kingdom Plantae, clade monocots. It is a type of monocot. Order Aspergillales, family Amaryllidaceae, genus Zephyranthus, species Rosea. Let us take a look at its flower. The flowers of rain lily exhibit solitary type of inflorescence, that is, the flowers are borne singly and terminally in position. It is a trimerous type of flower, which means all the floral parts are present in number of 3 or multiple of 3. It is bisexual, monoecious or hermaphrodite, that is both the male and female reproductive structures are present in the same flower. It is actinomorphic in symmetry, that is we can cut the flower in equal halves along the radius. It is of epigynous type, which tells about the position of the rest of the floral parts with respect to position of ovary. The ovary is below the level at which all the other floral parts are born. Sepals and petals are absent. Instead, a structure called perianth is present. Brightly colored 6 tepals are present, which make the perianth, and these 6 tepals are arranged in 2 whorls with 3 tepals in each whorl. Next, there are 6 epiphyllous stamens present. Epiphyllous condition means the stamens are attached to the tepals or the perianth with filament. 3 carpels are present and they are in syncarpous condition, that is all the 3 carpels are fused and form one single structure or gynoecium. Ovary is elongated and inferior. It is same but in a different term or in a different way, that was earlier explained as epigynous. Epigynous mainly talks about the position of floral parts other than the ovary but with respect to ovary. Here inferior or superior, that only deals with mainly the ovary position only. Now stigma is bilobed and placentation is axile, that is all the ovules inside ovary are placed or born on the central axis. 3 locules are present. Now let us take a look at the floral diagram of rain lily. The floral diagram first of all starts with the mother axis. As you can see in the diagram, the topmost dot-like structure that represents the mother axis. It shows the axis and the position at which the flower is attached to the axis or the stem. Next comes the other appendages like bracteoles. In this flower, that is of rain lily, the bracts or bracteoles are not present as such, but there is a sheath-like covering present which covers the bud in an opened stage. As you can see in the diagram, in the bottom, the green structure, it represents that sheath. Next come the perianth. Perianth is made up of tepals and is arranged in two whorls with 3 tepals in each whorl. The tepals are, you can see as in pink color. Next come the androecium. Androecium is a collective term for a male reproductive structure, that is stamens. There are 6 stamens present attached with tepals with the help of filament. Anthers are present, which are bilobed, bithecous anthers are present. Now next to androecium, there comes gynoecium. Gynoecium is a collective term for female reproductive structures which contains stigma, style and ovary. Here in the diagram, floral diagram, you can see section of an ovary. Ovary has 3 locules. As we've already mentioned, it is a tricarpellary structure, syncarpous condition. 3 ovaries fused in one common structure, and that is shown here. 3 locules represent each ovary. Ovules, as you can see, are present or placed in the center, and that center point is the central axis of the ovary. And at last, floral formula. We are all very much familiar with the formulas in maths, physics and chemistry, but what is a formula? Formula is basically a rule or a fact expressed with the use of numbers or specifically assigned symbols. Now, floral formula is also the same. It is a rule or a fact that describes structure of a particular flower, and it's specific, not common. On the screen you can see a floral formula that describes the structure of rain lily flower specifically. The formula is written in a continuous pattern without commas or full stops. First symbol of the formula tells us about the bisexual or monoecious nature of flower. Then the actinomorphic symmetry is represented with the symbol. Letter P stands for perianth, and 3 plus 3 is 3 tepals in 2 whorls. A stands for androecium, and 3 plus 3 is the stamens attached to the 2 whorls of perianth. Since stamens are attached to tepals, letters P and A are connected with an arc over them. Lastly, G is for gynoecium. 3 is the number of carpels or ovary. Brackets indicate fused or syncarpous condition, and the bar over the number indicates inferior position of the ovary. In some cases, the bar can be placed above the G also, but that also means the same thing. So I hope the video helped you understand flower, its description, floral diagram, floral formula, specifically of the rain lily in a much better way. Thank you.